Hi, Mr. Andrew here today, and today we are going to multiply and simplify fractions. So here, the method in which we'll multiply these fractions is that we'll take the numerators, multiply them together to receive our numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then we take the denominators, or the bottoms, and we go 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so again to recap, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now we would want to simplify. We can say I can divide the top by 2 and I can divide the bottom by 2. So this is really 1/3 as a simplified version. That is correct. However, we can actually simplify before we multiply, and this becomes a great advantage for us in larger, more complicated problems. So let's see it as if we would simplify first. So if I would write this 1/2 times 2, well, if I think about it, the 1 and the 2 are ending up together up top, and the 2 and the 3 are ending up together down below. So why don't I just write them all as one fraction, 1 times 2, and then 2 times 3. Then I can say, oh, the 2's cancel out. I'm left with 1/3. Okay? This is correct as well. We can actually simplify anywhere on the top with anywhere on the bottom. So diagonally is perfectly fine. The only way you cannot simplify is bottom bottom or top top. We cannot simplify that way. Let's do another problem, one involving a whole number. So 3/4 times 4. One thing to note here is that we can always write whole numbers over 1. 3/4 is the same thing as 4/1. 4 wholes. Okay? So here, if we look here, we can write them together. If we want to extend this fraction bar between them, we can. This 4 and this 4 will cancel. We can actually do it by dividing that 4 into the top and bottom. Say, divide by 4 here, divide by 4 here. Okay, this is 1 and that is 1. So really, I'm left with 3/1. Sorry, 3/1, which is equal to 3. Now, let's try another problem. Let's try 5/10 and multiply that to 2 times 5. Okay? Well, to work this problem, again, I'll pretend this fraction bar is really extended across here. Now I see the 5's can cancel out, right? 5 will divide into 5 once. 5 will divide into that 5 once. But now 2 and 10. They don't automatically cancel, but I can tell they have something in common. I can divide this 2 by 2, and I can divide this 10 by 2. Up here I'll get 1, down here I'll get 5. So I can say 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 1 is 5. That is 1/5. Hopefully these helped you understand how we can simplify before we multiply and have less work to do. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me.